putting alcohol on them. Now we're really gonna get her ears pierced. Okay. Oh, she's marking it right now. Just marking it.
She documented it.
Don't scream or anything. You don't want to mess the woman up.
I wasn't gonna scream. Amber's only one screaming. I'm not gonna scream.
It's gonna be fine.
Well, they wouldn't even think long.
Oh, I'm at an angle.
What Amber's? Nessie, I'm stepped forward.
Sarah.
These are the earrings. Are they nice?
Those are free.
Hi, Sarah, the bunny rabbit.
I just spit on my
And back to Amber.
Back a little bit. This is the painful part.
This is still part.
Your thing.
Okay, move.
See how this earlobe is touring on? Everyone is like it, don't they?
I think it looks fun.
Do you think it looks fun? Line to that side.
Yeah. I think you're good. Hold your head straight. Yeah, you're good.
I'm just kidding, broke it. It's all good. Nothing to do with this video.
They did my first hole wrong, so had to get it redone.
Look, it's this in.
Your thing don't work. That goes in.
Yeah, it does. Zoom.
Yeah, it's not going in.
I don't want to see. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Oh my gosh. I don't want to. Oh God. Oh God.
Amber, it's okay.
It doesn't hurt. No. Is it over?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. That hurt me more than you. Oh.
Jimmy.
Your turn. Why are you squeezing? She's done.
How does it feel to be a real woman now with earrings?
Is it good?
You're such a...
Is it good?
Now they gotta take them out and redo it. Restart.
Here's all the way up the ears. Oh. Are you okay? Okay. Did that hurt? Not as bad, but not as... See, that was telling you stapler. I told you.
Look at the smile.
Staples would hurt the...
Oh. Does it sound like what it feels like?